Yeah, thank you so much, guys. It's Makamugenda. Right now, I have already started the other session. You know, we are busy, guys, and that's our nature. So we be busy. Yeah, this is the key to make things go on and go right. Yes. Keep on watching. It's Makamugenda. This is a very nice session. We call it Nyatiti Jazz. I'll be giving you some vibes. We call it Nyatiti vibe. So just keep on watching this Makamugenda this very nice evening. So I just appreciate your time and keep on watching. So it's a very nice evening, guys. Right now I'm going to the same, we call it River Congo. Yeah. Today I have two guys from UK. That's my friends from UK, United Kingdom. Yeah. I also just want to finish the recording. Yeah, there's a recording we started, so we have to finish it right now. So this is it. Yeah, so for those who ask, what do we take? This is what we take, guys. We are just being busy. Yeah, so just keep on watching. It's Makamugenda. I'm just very busy. You know, I don't know if that copyright have already gone, but no problem. We are busy chasing our dream. Yes. By the time some guys are just chasing, man, we would. So keep on watching. Yeah. So wow, Baba. Yeah, so